Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Brawny paper towels. Pick a size, 6 large rolls, and it is white, and then it says that the 6 equals 8, and so 6 of these equals 8 regular rolls. These are paper towels, and I use them as napkins. I use them for a variety of things to clean with, and there's so many ways you can use paper towels. They just come in handy. And there's 6 of them in this packet, and what they say is these are the large ones, and that this is the equivalent of like 8 of their smaller size, their regular size ones. So it's a fairly large, I would say, paper towel ring. Personally, I can't really tell, but then again, I'm not comparing them to anything. And you can kind of do the math. 87 pick-a-size sheets per roll. And by pick-a-size, here I have one that I actually already opened here. So as you can see, you can do half of the towel, which also is like a great way to save on money and things like that. Save the trees because you're using less at a time, and you can also fold it over like a napkin when you're eating, so it's a lot nicer than just like a big square that you kind of waste a lot of the time. You'd be surprised at how much we waste and we don't even realize it. They're white, they don't have any weird patterns except for like the indents here on the product itself. And then they're great for cooking and cleaning and tidying. And Brawny has been providing paper towels since 1974. Woo! And they are pretty durable, and it takes a lot to completely go through them. Like, these are pretty strong. I would say I wouldn't go through them very fast. I would probably change them every few, I've gotten these before, and I didn't go through them for weeks. It took me weeks and weeks to actually go through them. Then again, there's just me and my boyfriend, so if you're a family, it's going to be a different story. It just depends on how much you use your paper towels. But it did last a lot longer than the average paper towel for me because of the size, because of how strong they were, and just, how many messes I made. On the packaging, there's like this man, and he's supposed to, I guess, represent someone who's very masculine. I guess more like a lumberjack kind of person with the plaid and the red, and then you have the trees, the evergreen trees down here. So maybe that's where Brawny came from. I don't know, honestly. I found these while I was shopping for some of my paper towels, and like I said, this is my first time using them. They're made in the USA, and they're made using domestic and foreign materials. And Brawny is proudly supporting American jobs. This is what they claim. These are very sturdy. They don't easily break even when they're wet, which is surprising. So they're really good for spills. I keep them in my kitchen, and I don't really take them anywhere because I don't need to unless I'm going on a picnic, but that's pretty rare right now. They're very lightweight, very soft, and they're disposable, so you can just throw them away when you're done. You can recycle the plastic, which is unusual because normally like this type of plastic you don't really recycle as long as it's dry and clean. And you can actually recycle the paper as well. So that's very exciting. I love that you can recycle everything on this. Keep this away from your kids. You don't want to suffocate them in any way, especially with like the plastic. You never know. Kids do things, and you just want everybody to be safe. Paper towels are pretty safe themselves, and you just never know what your kids are going to get into. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you check out these paper towels. They're really great. Just great, simple paper towels that will do the trick.